Is eating a lot of seafood good for your health? Seafood has long been known as an important part of the human diet. With delicious, diverse, and attractive flavors, seafood dishes such as shrimp, crab, fish, clams, oysters, etc. are always a popular choice in daily meals. However, the question, is eating a lot of seafood good for your health, is always a matter of concern for many people. This article will help you answer that question. Benefits of eating seafood. Providing high-quality protein. Seafood is an excellent source of protein, especially fish and shrimp. The protein in seafood has high biological value, helping the body build and maintain muscle, restore cells, and strengthen the immune system. Protein from seafood is also easier to absorb than protein from other types of meat. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. One of the outstanding benefits of seafood is the content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and mackerel. Omega-3 is very beneficial for cardiovascular health, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. In addition, omega-3 also helps enhance brain function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Seafood provides many important vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, B12, D, and minerals such as iodine, iron, zinc, and selenium. Vitamin D in seafood helps the body absorb calcium better, supporting the development of strong bones and teeth. Iron and zinc help maintain blood health and strengthen the immune system. Iodine is essential for thyroid function. Good for skin and hair. Seafood is rich in selenium and zinc, two minerals that are very good for skin and hair health. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from environmental damage and prevents skin aging. Zinc helps heal wounds and supports healthy hair growth. Supports weight loss and maintains body shape. Seafood is low in saturated fat and calories, but rich in protein, so it is ideal for those who want to lose weight or maintain body shape. Eating seafood can create a feeling of fullness for a long time, helping to reduce cravings and effectively support the fat loss process. Notes when eating seafood. Although seafood brings many health benefits, eating too much can also cause some health problems, especially when not processed and consumed properly. Seafood can contain mercury. Some types of seafood, especially large fish such as swordfish, shark, and king mackerel, can accumulate quite high levels of mercury in the body. If you eat too much of these fish, your body can be poisoned by mercury, affecting the nervous system, especially for pregnant women and children. Therefore, you should choose seafood with low mercury levels and eat them in moderation. Seafood can cause allergies. Some people may be allergic to seafood, especially shrimp, crab, clams, and mussels. Seafood allergies can cause symptoms such as itching, rash, difficulty breathing, and even anaphylactic shock. Therefore, if you have a history of seafood allergies, be careful when consuming them. Raw seafood can cause the risk of bacterial infection. Some seafood dishes made from raw seafood, such as sushi, sashimi, or rare seafood dishes, can potentially pose a risk of bacterial or parasitic infection. To ensure safety, you should only eat seafood at reputable addresses, ensure food hygiene and safety, and avoid eating raw seafood if the origin is unknown. Don't eat too much at one time. Although seafood is good for your health, if you eat too much at one meal, your body will have difficulty absorbing all the nutrients, and at the same time increase the burden on the digestive system. Eating seafood in moderation, combined with other foods, will bring the best results. Seafood is an indispensable part of a healthy diet thanks to its outstanding health benefits. However, as with any food, eating seafood needs to be maintained at a reasonable level and ensure proper processing. Eating seafood can help you provide adequate nutrients for your body, but always pay attention to the origin, processing method, and consumption amount to maximize the benefits that seafood brings without harming your health. How to eat seafood properly to protect your health? Seafood is a great source of nutrition, with many health benefits such as providing high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. However, to maximize the benefits of seafood and protect your health, you need to eat seafood properly. Here are some useful tips to help you enjoy seafood safely and effectively. Choose fresh seafood with clear origin. One of the most important factors when eating seafood is to choose to buy from reputable places. ensuring quality and clear origin. Fresh seafood not only ensures delicious taste but also helps limit the risk of food poisoning due to seafood contaminated with bacteria, viruses, or toxic substances. When buying seafood, you should pay attention to signs such as a characteristic fishy smell, intact shells of clams and mussels, and natural colors. Avoid eating raw or undercooked seafood. Raw or undercooked seafood dishes such as sushi and sashimi may contain bacteria, parasites, or viruses that are harmful to your health. Therefore, you should avoid eating raw seafood, especially when the origin is unknown or not processed at facilities that ensure food hygiene and safety. Instead, choose seafood that has been fully cooked to ensure the safety of your digestive system and health. Do not eat too much seafood at one time. Although seafood has many benefits, eating too much at one time can overload the digestive system. Seafood contains a lot of protein and minerals. If eaten too much, can increase pressure on the liver and kidneys. At the same time, some types of seafood, such as large fish, shark, swordfish, can contain mercury. Eating too much can cause toxins to accumulate in the body. Eat seafood in moderation and combine it with other foods for a balanced meal. Be careful with seafood allergies. Some people may be allergic to seafood, especially shrimp, crab, clams, and mussels. Allergic symptoms may include itching, rashes, swelling, difficulty breathing, or even anaphylactic shock. If you have a history of seafood allergies, be careful and avoid eating seafood dishes or consult your doctor to check for allergies. If you are eating seafood for the first time, you should try a small amount to check your body's reaction. Eat seafood with fresh vegetables. Combining seafood with fresh vegetables in meals not only enhances the flavor but also adds vitamins, fiber, and minerals necessary for the body. Vegetables such as kale, coriander, lettuce, and broccoli help add fiber and vitamins such as vitamin C, A, and E, helping the body easily absorb nutrients from seafood and support the digestive system. Seafood should be processed properly. The way seafood is processed is also very important in protecting health. To preserve the nutrients in seafood and avoid losing vitamins and minerals, you should choose cooking methods such as steaming, boiling, baking, instead of frying. Deep frying can lose the nutritional value of seafood and increase the amount of unhealthy fat. Cook seafood just enough, not too long, to keep the freshness and sweetness of the food. Be careful with seafood that is at risk of containing mercury. Some large seafood species such as shark, swordfish, and mackerel can contain high amounts of mercury, and consuming too much can cause toxins to accumulate in the body. Mercury can damage the nervous system and have adverse effects on health. Therefore, you should limit the consumption of these seafood, especially for pregnant women, children, and people with health problems. Note when preserving seafood. To ensure that seafood does not spoil and maintains its quality, you need to preserve seafood properly. Seafood should be stored in the refrigerator or freezer immediately after purchase. If not used immediately, you should freeze it to keep it fresh. When preparing seafood, wash it thoroughly and cook it to minimize the risk of harmful bacteria. Recommendations on seafood consumption. According to nutritionists, to maximize the benefits of seafood without the risk of toxins such as mercury, you should eat seafood 2 to 3 meals per week. This is enough for the body to absorb the necessary nutrients without causing negative effects. Depending on the type of seafood. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel. These fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good for the heart and brain health. You can eat 2 to 3 meals per week without worrying about health problems. Shrimp, crab, clams, mussels. These types of seafood are also very nutritious, but you should eat them in moderation. If consumed too much, it can lead to the risk of allergies or affect digestion. Large fish, such as swordfish, shark. These fish can contain high amounts of mercury, so you should limit your intake to only 1 meal per week or occasionally. Note for some groups of people, pregnant women and children. Pregnant women and children need to be careful when eating seafood, especially large fish that are at risk of containing mercury. Experts recommend that pregnant women eat fatty fish, such as salmon, and limit fish that may contain high levels of mercury, and eat 2 meals or less per week. People with liver and kidney disease. Seafood is good, but if you have liver or kidney problems, Consult your doctor to adjust the amount of seafood appropriately. Eat seafood in moderation. Although seafood is very nutritious, eating too much is not good for your health. Eating seafood in moderation, combined with other foods such as vegetables, fruits, and grains, will help you maintain a balanced and nutritious diet.